I'm going to show you and teach you the easiest but most unethical way to start freelancing in 2024 and make at least $5,000 per month. You don't need money, you don't need skills. You can be working a 9 to 5 job now, manual labor like I was, and you can do this. And the best part, literally anybody can do this and actually achieve it. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet, and I want to actually just directly tell you the steps to take. Now, before I just get into this, I've had students achieve massive results within my program from taking some of these steps and actually doing it. We even have people doing 25, 30k per month inside the program at the moment. And it's honestly insane, and it's been relatively easy to get to. They've got to those points within 9, 10 months. It's literally like an infinite money glitch. So step number 1 is to create an account on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. Now, from here, see in my name, I have the freelance guy. So this is the first cheat code and number 1 tip. When I type in to the search bar here, freelancing, learn this and that, I'm coming up. I'm the one person that's going to come up. Now, if you want to sell a service, you can pick anything. You can pick autumn, you can pick landing pages, websites, copywriting, email marketing. The list genuinely goes on and on and on. So I want you to optimize your profile like mine or like my students. Let me give you an example here. Osh, his profile picture is perfect, professional. He says he helps CRO or does CRO and landing pages for Shopify brands. And this is exactly what he does. And he has a book a free call here. Now he has 17,000 followers and he started with 5,000 followers. He's going to essentially, to get these followers, do what's called an auto DM giveaway. Now if you take a look at this, 1,600 likes on this auto DM giveaway. I'll go into this and show you. He got AI to create this. This is a template, it's a sample with AI, and you can steal his framework. All you have to do is like this post, comment, the fire emoji, and he'll DM it to you, but you must be following him. So he leveraged AI to start freelancing and actually sell landing pages and websites. Now, he goes a lot deeper into this with his clients. Let's be transparent here. He's not just using AI. He does a lot of development, a lot of design work. He's an absolutely fantastic individual with what he does. But this is exactly something that you can take inspiration from. And if you don't have the skill set to begin, you have nothing. You can use AI to actually take advantage of this. And due to AI and freelancing being such trending topics and hot topics, this got a ton of views, almost 250,000 views, which is insane, and 1,300 comments. So everyone that comments has to follow him. So he probably got about 1,200, 1,300 followers just from this post. Now, take a look at my profile. If we look at my most viral tweet over here, a complete guide on how to use ChatGPT for copywriting, potential to earn you 10k per month in 2023. All you have to do is like, comment this, and I'll DM you the copy. You must be following. Again, it's ChatGPT, it's AI, super easy to create. This got me 4,000 comments and about almost 4,000 followers, and it did 600, well over 500,000 views. It couldn't be easier to gain followers, my friends. This is the easiest way. And what you do then is you plug that service that you've picked. Once you do this, you take the sales call. I've other videos teaching you how to take sales calls. This link got 12,000 views, bear in mind, and it got an absolutely ton of bookings. Okay, it got me a lot of book calls. This made me a lot of money. Could have made me like 10, 15,000 off the back end of this post alone, and I didn't have to do any of the fulfillment. I didn't need to learn how to build landing pages in depth. I didn't have to do any of that. I got paid. I handled the sales calls and I outsourced the work. So I paid other people a smaller percentage and I outsourced the work, and this is how I fulfill for clients, and this is how they still get good results, but this is how I grow an audience and get booked sales calls. And a lot of my students can do this too. A lot of people working on this and becoming really successful, making thousands of dollars a month. So if you do have interest in how to do this further and actually doing this one-on-one with me and building a personal brand to sell a service online, it doesn't matter what the platform, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, we can nail it all and get it done. Take a look at the description below, Subscribe first of all, like this video, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. That would mean the world to me. But check out the description below. I have a link there. You can book a free one-to-one call with me. I'll make sure you know exactly what to do, and we'll go through the process of what's involved. So check that out, and I look forward to speaking to you. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.